Hey, what's going on, everybody? I said I was going to make you guys a short video. I found a free way you can earn $50 upfront and $20 per month for every entrepreneur that you're connected with on your social media accounts. Okay, guys, a lot of you all commented. All right, I'm going to show you guys some numbers in just a short second. All right, now if you have 1,000 entrepreneurs, you're going to make about 50 grand, 20,000 plus monthly reoccurring. If you have about 500 entrepreneurs on your page and it's feel like it's value, you're going to make about 25 up front and 10,000 monthly reoccurring and so on. All right, guys, first and foremost, I think I added all of you guys to this group chat. It was over 100 comments. I'm going to go ahead and add the rest of you to the group chat. You guys are just going to see this video live. All right, understand I shared the link for you guys to register and sign up for free. All right, you'll be coming to a platform called BuilderAll. All right. That's the free. Understand, this is 2019. That's as free as it's going to get. All right, you're on a 7-day trial to where you can access and go through the back office and see the products and services that BuilderAll have to offer for entrepreneurs and also business builders, people who want to obtain a 6, 7+ figure income. All right. Now, free is that you're in, that you was able to register. You can use the products, you can use the services, and you can actually start making money for free. All right. Before we get here, you're going to come, you guys have a free account. What you're going to do, you're going to go down to BuilderAll Business first. Then you're going to go to Money Making Funnels. All right. Let me scroll down a little bit. Well, let me get to it. All right. BuilderAll Business. And where we're going to get to money making funnels right here. Now, this is how you make your $50 per entrepreneur, per business builder, per everybody. All right. You see how like I put this post right here on Facebook and got over 100 comments. You guys is in a group chat, and I have so many group chats. As you guys can see, this is how it works. All right. You know, this is how people get close to businesses. So, this is how you can make your $50 per person. You get one of these links out inside your group chat, or you can do the 7-day free trial link as well. And if the entrepreneurs see this platform of value, and which most of them will, they will go ahead and grab a membership. And that way, your free will turn into income. All right, so you're able to access those links on the free, on the free. Now, let's go back to where I start throwing some numbers in there. You guys want to make sure the numbers add up. All right, let's say we put 1,000 entrepreneurs on this platform. All right, we put 1,000 entrepreneurs on this platform. Does this number look right? Correct. Let's say let's say half of these people want to share the opportunity with at least 3 of their business partners. Let's say half of them want to share. All right. With at least one of their business partners. Y'all see these numbers? Right here, 30,000 monthly reoccurring, 50,000 up front with 1,000 licensed and sold. All right, let's go back here with 500 entrepreneurs. Let's say we put 500 on. 250 of them would share this platform with at least 5 people. Would you like $26,200 per month and 25,000 up front? All right, these numbers is adding up. You guys are seeing these numbers? All right, let's say I'm highly knowledgeable that all you guys can put at least 100 entrepreneurs on. All right, let's put 100 people on. Let's say half of those people will put 5 people on. But where I fall into play is to show you guys duplication. All right, so you can share this platform with about 25 people, guys. You can help those same people do the same thing, guys. This is the big number. All right. This platform right here, Let me go to BuilderAll. You guys see that income, $10,000 a month with only 25 business partners. If you guys cannot build websites, professional websites, if you don't have a professional website, guess what? You need BuilderAll because you need upgrading. People buy upgrades, not downgrades. If you don't have a sales funnel for your business, for whatever you're marketing, your e-commerce store, or a sales funnel or a marketing funnel directly for to sell people, you're already losing. This is what 7 and 8 figure earners use. They use sales funnels or marketing funnels. All right, you're losing if you don't have one. If you don't have autoresponder, if you're using GetResponse or Aweber, I'm pretty sure you're spending more than $20 per month. All right, you're losing because you can get access to all this stuff for only $30 per month. All right. If you don't have an app for your business, you don't have push button notifications, you're not all in people's phones. 95% of the people is not seeing your follow-up messages, because I understand it takes anywhere between 5 to 10 exposures to get people, to get potential clients or business partners to actually buy something. If you don't have an app for your business, you're probably losing. All right. If you don't have a logo, you don't have a brand. All right. You don't understand law of attraction. You don't have a platform to where you can provide law of attraction with your logos, your brand, and the different little design things that I do on my page. You're already losing. All right. If you don't have a webinar set up, I'm doing basically a little training webinar through here, a little system. All this stuff costs money, guys. Marketplace to where other people can promote your product or service and you make more money and you control how much they get paid, just like JV Zoo, ClickBanks, and on and on and on. We have a marketplace. All right. But I'm not going through all of this stuff. You guys want to know how you can make the money. All right. All the smart people will go ahead and upgrade their account. All right. And all the smart people will share this opportunity with at least 20 people. The smarter ones is going to duplicate the same thing. All right, guys. Share with 20 people. Help 20 people do the same exact thing that you did. All right. I mean, you guys see money over here. This is monthly income. So, with 1,000 entrepreneurs and 1,000 people, bring in one person. No, bring in 2 people. Not only you can make $50,000 up front, you can be making $50,000 per month. So, yes. I just showed you the free way, because if you went through the link that I gave you, guess what? You're in for free. You got access to all the tools, the products, and services that I use to build a 7-figure business. All right. Me personally, build a 7-figure business. You got access to it. Now it's up to you if you want the money. It's already printed. It's up to you if you want to go get it. Upgrade your account. Let's work.